All right, so teaching the next generation, we're gonna be out here shooting this lever action Henry 22, and my son's stepbrother Ellis. Say hey, Ellis.
Hey.
And then Trez is coming. We're gonna do a little plinking, some federal 22, and we're gonna teach them how to operate this properly and safely, and we'll have a little fun. All right, keep watching. Down. All right, we're teaching them how to use a lever action. Cock that down, forward, yep, and then back. Okay, get your sight line. Okay, cock the lever again. Okay. Same thing. All right, do not put your finger on the trigger until after you have your sight. Quit shooting so fast. You are not getting your target. I'm not trying to fuss at you, but I want you to aim. There you go. One more, and then we're gonna let Ellis go. All right. Is that cool? Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
So we're teaching Ellis and Trez how to shoot a lever action.
Okay, can I shoot?
Yep. All right. Tuck that gun up under your arm. There you go. Now cock the lever. Sorry for the bad camera work. I'm just trying to help him.
Can I shoot?
Yep. There you go. Up, tuck it under your arm. There you go. Keep that finger away from the trigger. Yep. If you tuck it under your arm, you have control of it. Okay, I'll show you here in a second. Go ahead and take another shot.
Did I take a shot?
Yep. Do not touch the trigger. Okay, get your sight on line.
Mm-hmm.
Bend over. All right, now squeeze the trigger. Okay. Take your finger off the trigger. There you go. Do not put your finger up there until you have your sight aligned and you know what you're about to shoot.
Okay, good.
Okay. Finger off the trigger. There you go.
Okay, good.
All right, what'd you think?
Good.
Okay. All right, y'all subscribe, like. We're gonna spend some more time on the fundamentals and let them shoot some more. All right, take care.